Bubble ball basic tutorial. Stretch the balloon before inflating it. Stretch along the edge. Now stretch it left and right a bit more. After stretching the balloon, inflate it slightly. Fold the nozzle up to seal it. Insert a 5-inch balloon slightly into your mouth and inflate. Pull out the nozzle and tie. The rest of the 5-inch balloons should be inserted using the same method. Then inflate the bubble ball. After inflating, rotate the valve a few turns. After inflating, rotate the valve a few turns. Trim off the excess balloon material.